When we are not sure something is najas, we should assume it is tahir. For example, I was playing in the mud. Now my clothes are dirty. Are my clothes najas? Is mud najas? No. Things like blood and urine are najas, not mud. When we are not sure something is najas, we should assume it is tahir. Another example. I was exercising and a lot of sweat came on my body. Is sweat najas? Am I najas? No. Things like blood and urine are najas, not sweat. When we are not sure something is najas, we should assume it is tahir. Last example. I walked into a dirty bathroom. There was rubbish everywhere. The floor was also wet. I accidentally stepped into the wet area. Am I najas now? Do I know if it was urine or water? I am not sure. When we are not sure something is najas, we should assume it is tahir.